Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my lovely students. Today, inshallah, I will teach you Super Goal 4 for the second intermediate grade in the second semester. Today, inshallah, we will start chapter 2. It is a bargain. Okay, listen and discuss page 10. Okay, what can you see here, my lovely students? Very good. You can see more, right? Look, what do we have here? Girls. Makeup, perfume. We have accessories here. We have your sunglasses. How about the second page? What can you see? Very good. Also, it is small, actually. But I think this section is for male, right? Because we have here some boys, as you can see here. Okay, my lovely students, now I will turn on the audio. I want you to listen and follow. Read along as you listen. So, are you ready? Very good. So, let's start.
Unit 2. It's a bargain.
Pages 10 and 11.
1. Listen and discuss.
Store directory. Second floor. Women's department. Coats, dresses, skirts, blouses, accessories, jewelry, makeup, perfume, shoes, and boots. Third floor. Men's department. Coats, suits, shirts, ties. Fourth floor. Home department. Electronics, appliances, furniture, housewares. Jewelry. Rings, bracelets, earrings, necklaces. Buy a gold ring, get a free bracelet.
Which ones do you like? I prefer the gold ones.
Makeup, perfume.
This color eyeshadow suits you. I think I like the other one better.
Accessories. Leather bags, scarves, belts, umbrellas, sunglasses. Leather belts on sale, 50% off.
This belt is a bargain. Yeah, it's really cheap.
Excuse me, where can I find sheets and pillowcases?
In the home department, on the fourth floor.
Outerwear, casual wear. Sweatshirts, sweatpants, windbreakers, raincoats. Special on raincoats.
How do I look in this windbreaker?
It's too big for you. Whose backpack is that?
Oh, it's mine. Thank you.
You should keep it with you at all times.
Okay, my lovely students, look what do we have here, vocabulary. Where can you find those items in department store? Well, the first one, a blender and a microwave. Actually, as you can see here, we have here second floor, third floor, fourth floor. So we can find it in the electronics, okay? So we will say here electronics. Okay, number 2, perfume. Actually, a makeup. Okay, sheets and pillows in home department. A man's suits, men's department. Very good. Then let's now move here to the second page, which is a grammar. Then we will take a grammar. Okay, look what do we have here. Possessive adjective, possessive pronouns. Okay, what does possessive adjective? If something belongs to you, okay? Something belongs to you. For example, if you have a cat, you will say, it is my cat. It is my name. It is my sister, okay? Something belongs to you, okay? This is possessive adjective. We have to add here, after this, we have to add here noun. We have to add noun. For example, it is my backpack. It is your backpack, and so on. Or you can say it is my book. It is my name. But here in the possessive, look what do we have here. In the possessive pronouns, we don't have here nouns. Okay, you just say it is mine. Look here, full stop. That's it. No nouns. No, just this. It is mine, it is yours, it is his, it is hers, it is ours, it is theirs, and so on. Okay, so do you have any questions so far? Very good. Then look, what do we have here? Questions, word, whose. Okay, when I ask by using this, I ask about something. I ask about a person. So I ask about the person whose has something. Okay, for example, whose backpack is this? So this backpack, it belongs to whom? Exactly. Tell me. You can say it is mine. It is belongs to me. Look here. We say it is mine. So then you have to put full stop. It is belongs to me. Whose backpack is this? It is mine. It belongs to me. Then look, what do we have here? The second one. Whose glasses are these? They are hers. They belong to that lady. Okay. Then look, what do we have here? One and ones. Which coat do you like? The green one. Okay. You just like this one. Just one coat. Okay. Just one coat. So, which coat do you like? The green one. Then number 2, which boots do you prefer? The leather ones. So you prefer like a group. Okay, the leather boots. Okay, the leather one. Okay, my lovely students. Very good. Then look here, what do we have? Quantitative 2. This jacket is too small. What does too here mean? It means a very, like very small. Very small. You can say too small for me. And those shoes, and the shoes are too big. Too big. Okay, like very big. Then let's now move to here. We have here a conversation, exercise C. Look, what do we have? Complete the conversation, choose the correct word. So we will complete it by choosing the correct word. So are you ready? Very good. So I will read. We have a conversation between Mom and Faris. Mom and Faris. Let's now read it together. Okay. Are these, what do you think? Very good. We will choose your because we have a here now. Okay, because we have a here now, so we will say your socks. Faris, they aren't. They aren't what? What do you think? Very good. Mine. Excellent. Because we have a here full stop, so we will say mine. I think they are Alice. They are, so what do you think? Very good. His. We say his size. Are these, what do you think? Look here, it's the end of the sentence. Very good. Yours. No, what do you think? We have a here noun. Very good. Look here, we have a here noun. As you can see, we will say mine. No, my socks don't have holes. I think they are Fahad. Okay. Then, Fahad, are these, we have a here noun. Are these your? Bravo. Then the last one, let me see. Yes, they smell like mine. Excellent, my lovely students. Okay, then look, what do we have here? We have here, as you can see, we have here listen, fill in the missing information in the ad. This like the advertising. Okay, we have here, as you can see, card. So, and we have here an audio. So I will turn on the audio. I want you to listen and to complete the filling, or sorry, the missing information. So are you ready? Very good. So let's start.
Page 13. 5. Pronunciation. Certain sounds are... Page 13. 4. Listening. Listen. Fill in the missing information in the ad. Don't miss Milford's annual sale this Saturday at Green Tree Mall. The store opens at 10 a.m. and closes at 9 p.m. Here are some of the unbelievable bargains. Wool sweaters straight from New Zealand for only $29.99. 20% discount on all raincoats. In the men's department, there is a big clearance sale on shirts. Prices are from $12. All shirts must go. Women's shoes for $45.50. Buy one pair and get 50% off a second pair. Scarves, buy one and get one free. Personal computers, discount of 25% on Primus 230. Special gift with all purchases of perfume and makeup. Now this is a real bargain. Jewelry. Get a free pair of earrings when you buy a gold necklace and ring. Don't miss this sale. It's your chance this year to save a lot of money. All major credit cards are accepted.